Hey yo, it's Chriso. What I'm going to be doing now is showing you how to silicone the chriso way. Please take notice. You won't have to learn it again because you'll have it. And you're home and hose. We'll see you soon. Okay, everyone, it's Chriso. Now, getting on a serious note. No, there's nothing serious about this. This is a 3 meter high ceiling. I have checked my nozzle, right? It's a nice width. So let's just zap down here. Now look at that. That's all there is to it. What I'm going to be doing is not falling off my ladder, no. I need a little bit of tile. Move that away. Zap down here. So what I do is come out a little bit there and a little bit here. You know, a couple of feet or 1 foot. And then I start at the top. When I come down here, I be very careful because I don't want to spray that. So come down here with a bit of spray. Oh, nice. See this? You won't use anything else. I tell you. It's the bee's knees. What I've done is cut a V in it like that. It's an empty silicone tube. You cut a slot down there with your knife. Look at that. Easy peasy. Now, if a person has trouble with doing silicone, I'll stand on my head and I'll go, whoa, I'm not teaching right. Because see how easily I've come down there? You always give it a spray. Oh, look at the runoff. Look at that runoff. Oh, I like it. I was purposely messy down in the corner there so you get to see. Oh, there's the hand tool. How easy it is. So you come down, hang a right, I just want to fill that corner. I'm not happy with that corner, so we'll just put a little bit in there. Where's my spray? Don't come right out. See where the silicone ends? Only spray to there, 50 mil away. Stay away from the end. Trust me, people. Got a little bit on my tile, so I'll just take it up. Right, so I'll come out to the end here, or a little bit further. See that? I want to go a little bit past that because I'm going to be doing that part in black. In black. Don't anyone tell me that you can't do silicone. I don't want to hear it. Don't you dare tell me that you can't. For a start, there's no such word as can't. Not in my book, people. But I tell you what, a bit of black grout has got my silicone there. I'll go over that shortly. And that's all there is to it. Take off a little bit of excess there. Nice. I'll give that a bit of a wipe. There's a little bit of black grout there. That's why I hate black grout, eh? It's terrible. It is so hard to work with black grout. It seems to get everywhere. Don't anyone tell me that you can't do silicone. Okay? See you soon.